Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to prevent Windows 10 from downloading Windows 11 guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type registry editor regedit. It opens up registry editor. Just want to click on run as administrator over here and click yes guys. And opens up registry editor. You just want to go to local disk machine. H key local disk local machine. In here I need to go to software folder first. After clicking software folder, expand it, go to policies, expand it, go to Microsoft, expand it. In Microsoft you just want to go to Windows folder guys, expand it. In Windows folder you want to search for Windows update folder. Windows update folder you having, search for it, Windows update folder. If you don't have Windows update folder guys, you just want to right click on the Windows folder and click new and key. Opens up new key and you want to name it as Windows update, W caps letter, WIN, DOS, Windows, U caps letter guys, UPDATE, update, press enter. On right side in here you just want to see it guys. This I will zoom it out in my video. After on right side you just want to right click on it, right click on the blank area and click new and click devote 32-bit value, and you want to name this value T caps letter TARGET, target, release R caps letter RELEASE, release version, V caps letter VERSION, press enter guys. Target release version, press enter, double click on it and name this value data to 1 and click OK. After that you just want to another file folder you want to create it guys. The same way, right click on the blank area and click new, click string value over here, string value, click on it. In this value you just want to name it as target, T caps letter TARGET, target, R caps letter RELEASE, V caps letter VERSION, version info, I caps letter INFO, target release version info, press enter. Now this value data to double click on it and now you want to go to search menu guys. For this value data to find it, you just want to go to search menu and type about ABOUT, about your PC, about your PC, click on it, open it. In here scroll down guys, Windows specification option here guys. You just want to copy the version guys, version here, copy it. You just want to right click and copy it, 22H2. Just want to copy it, the version, Microsoft version, and paste it in value in here guys, 22H2, and click OK. And after pasting in, just want to go back and close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC. Need to restart for the changes take effect guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.